Don't miss out on the 10th point. It's the revelation that will make the beauty of the barn swallowbird linger in your mind. Stay with us as we count down to this 10th beautiful fact. 1. Incredible migration. Barn swallows undertake one of the longest migrations of any bird species, traveling up to 10,000 miles round trip between their breeding grounds in North America and their wintering grounds in South America. 2. Aerial acrobats. These birds are renowned for their agile flight and impressive aerial acrobatics. They can maneuver with remarkable precision, catching insects on the wing while performing intricate twists and turns. 3. Beautiful plumage. Barn swallows boast striking plumage with metallic blue-black upper parts, cinnamon-colored underparts, and a distinctive deeply forked tail. 4. Nesting behavior. They construct their nests primarily from mud pellets, which they collect in their beaks and shape into cup-like structures. These nests are often built under eaves or on ledges, providing protection from predators. 5. Cultural symbolism. In many cultures, barn swallows are associated with good luck, fidelity, and the arrival of spring. They have inspired numerous myths, folk tales, and works of art throughout history. 6. Vocalizations. While primarily known for their graceful flight, barn swallows also have a melodious song consisting of a series of soft, twittering notes. Their calls add to the ambience of rural landscapes during the breeding season. 7. Ecological importance. As voracious insect eaters, barn swallows play a vital role in controlling populations of flies, mosquitoes, and other pests, making them valuable allies in agricultural and urban ecosystems. 8. Cooperative breeding. Barn swallows often exhibit cooperative breeding behavior, with older siblings from previous broods assisting their parents in raising subsequent offspring. This cooperation can increase the likelihood of breeding success. 9. Threats and conservation. Despite their adaptability, barn swallows face threats from habitat loss, pesticide use, and collisions with man-made structures. Conservation efforts are underway to protect their breeding and wintering habitats. 10. Celestial navigation. One of the most astounding facts about barn swallows is their ability to navigate using celestial cues, such as the position of the sun and stars. Researchers have found that these birds possess a built-in internal compass that guides them during their long migrations, allowing them to navigate accurately across vast distances without getting lost. This remarkable navigational ability showcases the beauty and complexity of nature's design. In the 3-minute voyage through the barn swallow's brilliance, we've glimpsed a mesmerizing universe, where beauty unfolds in the intricate dance of this extraordinary bird. Thanks for watching.